Just a quick hello to all my YouTube subscribers. My apologies for what could be called a lengthy delay in posting any YouTube videos. But I do have a issue to deal with right now in my life. And just thought I'd share this with you. Very simply put, I left Canada roughly 18 years ago and moved to Ireland back in 2001. Been a good move, positive for my wife, for my children, and positive for myself. But there's one thing that I left behind in Canada, and I found that thing today. I haven't seen this thing in close to 18 years, and this thing is, very simply put, the famous Macintosh apple. Yes, the famous Macintosh apple. Haven't had one of these in 18 years. So here we are live from Toronto, Ontario, Canada. It's been 18 years since I've put my teeth into one of these apples. So here we go. Ooh-wee! That is one delicious Macintosh apple. Anyway, just thought I'd share that with you. Until we meet again, ciao, baby.